Hey students, I'm going to do a quick recap on what we talked about today in our Zoom meeting in regards to the library literacy tutorial. So let me go to Canvas. So I've basically broken it up into a 2-week process. We're going to do half of it this week and half of it next week. And just as a reminder, this is a requirement to pass this class. It's worth 2% of your total grade. It also is a graduation requirement from Skyline College. So you must complete this tutorial. It's not optional. Okay, so pretty easy. Basically, it goes by sections. This week, you guys are going to work on section 1, which is basically about the research process. You also might want to check out the podcast project prompt. I went over it today in class. Nothing specific yet, but I want you to start thinking about what you're going to do for that project as far as what you're going to research into, the topic you're kind of interested in. And you can really start doing that work while you're doing the tutorial. It's kind of the point. So anyway, so you do the first section, and then at the end of every section is a quiz, which you must complete. So make sure that you do the quizzes at the end. And then you also need to do section 2, and make sure you go in order for each section, and then you're going to finish with the quiz again. Now next week, even though it's a shorter week because of Thanksgiving break, you are going to complete section 3 with the quiz, and then section 4, which there's no quiz at the end. It's just the kind of talking about your works cited page and stuff like that. So anyway, that's kind of what's coming up in class. And then you should be done with the tutorial by the 25th, which is Wednesday of next week. So this week I will be checking in with you to make sure that you are completing the tutorial and making progress on it. So that's pretty much what we're doing. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send me a message.